let's open it. Whoa! Whoa! My Claire! That's so many surprise eggs inside!
We got the jackpot!
Playtime with Aiden and Claire. Come play with us. Yay! 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 Yay!
Hi guys, we planned a surprise egg hunt for Aiden and Claire today. They don't know it yet. Soon they will know. We have egg surprises everywhere. There's 2 giant ones here and many of them hiding in different places. Let's see if they can find them all and race for whoever get the most eggs. So many colorful surprise eggs out in the yard. Let's see who wins. Stay tuned to find out. Let the egg hunt surprise eggs begin. Ready, Aiden? Set, go! Whoa, you got a purple one.
I got a green one.
Whoa. Oh, you got another green one. Okay. Oh, smart. You put a basket. Oh, you got another yellow one? Wow. Oh, you have a small one. So cool.
Daddy, I picked one.
Whoa, Aiden. You got 4 so far. Purple.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a giant one. Oh my God, it doesn't even fit the bucket. Let's go. Go. Ooh, another green one. Purple. Make sure you get it all. Oh, slowly. Aiden, go. Is there more? There's the pink one and the purple one. Oh. Aiden, look. There's an orange one right here. Okay, let's go. Be careful. Oh, be careful. Oh. Okay, go. Next one. Make sure you run. You get everything. Make sure you get it more. I think there's more. You see it? Oh, there's a blue one in here.
Hey, down.
Any more?
Now my extra.
Oh no, Claire got that one.
Hey, that's why the pepper one. Pepper here. Pepper.
Any more, Claire?
Oh my God.
Check the car.
No.
Nothing?
No.
Nothing? Are you sure? Is that it?
Whoa. Get it. Do you need help? Here, Daddy help you. Whoa. Wow. Oh my God, doesn't even fit the bucket. Be careful. Let's go. Whoa. That's a lot. Whoa, that's a lot of surprise eggs, Aiden.
Any more?
No.
Okay. Whoa, that's a giant surprise egg. Wow. Aiden, how many did you have? Can you count it? You have 13? How about Claire? What do you have? How many do you have? Claire, you're confused. Start over. I think that's it. You're 16. Aiden has 13. Oh, Claire win. Are you guys ready to open it up? Okay, let's do it, okay? Let's go inside and open it up.
Whoa! You guys have a lot of surprises!
Are you guys ready to open it? You're ready? Head back. Head back. Are you guys ready to open it?
Yeah!
And show everyone what's inside?
Yeah!
Okay, and show everyone what you have. Claire, what do you have? You have a truck? What about Aiden? Aiden have a Peppa Pig. Okay, the teddy pig? Ooh, a Charlie.
Aiden got a finger there.
I think got a finger. Oh, that's so cool. All right, let's put it right here. All right, I have only one Charlie the Peppa Pig. And you right here. Next one. Next one. Okay, okay. Daddy have it. Go ahead. You open. Daddy clean up. Smack it. Smack it.
Whoa!
Claire, smack it. Oh.
You got a surprise!
Oh, you got another Peppa Pig?
Grandpa.
You have a surprise and you can eat it later. So yummy. Eat it later, okay?
Yay! Claire got a grandpa pig!
Whoa, Grandpa Pig. Next one. Open it. Open it. Okay, open it. Whoa! You got a car again? You got a truck? Okay. What else? Next one, go. Well, you got a minion! How about you?
What did Aiden get?
Oh, Aiden! You have 4 Peppa Pigs! That's so cool! You got 4 Peppa Pigs, Aiden. Open the next one. Open the next one then. Open the next one. Ooh. You got more minions? Whoa, lots of minions.
Can I see? Whoop.
Next one.
Hey.
It is a surprise egg inside a surprise egg? That's so crazy. Smack it.
Whoa, what did you get, Aiden?
You got another minion monkey? Whoa.
You got another fingerling?
You got another fingerling? That's so crazy. There's the 2 fingerlings. You're gonna eat it later. Oh! You got cheated! And then you got cheated! There's nothing inside of the surprise egg. Nothing. Oh! Okay, I do it. Whoa, Aiden, that's so cool! Mr. Potato Head. What, more cookies? Yeah, so much cookies. Okay. Aiden, you got another car? Whoa. Down to the next one. Oh, number 8 car. Alright, Aiden, one more, and then we'll open the big one. Wait for Aiden. Wait for Aiden. Aiden, open the purple one first. Open it. What is it? Whoa! There's a huge minion! That's so cool! That's a huge minion! That's so cool!
Did Minion just bought it, Aiden?
That's so cool! That's so cool! Okay, are you guys ready for the bigger one? Wait, hold on. Let's shake it, what it is. Whoa! Okay, guys, we got the last one. Do you know what it is? Let's open it. Whoa! My Claire! Egg? Hello Kitty. W? Let me see. Snoopy.
On the bar.
In the sky? Okay.
I found it.
Ooh, Mr. Potato Head. Okay, let's say bye to everyone.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Eclair.
Let's cut up 8 times if we go to sleep. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you next time.